Hello Steven, it's Rap here at Voss Motors, taking this video especially for you of this 2018 Aprilia RSV4 factory, the limited edition. Here's the price breakdown. Total price after freight and PDI and $10 on week fee is $26,254 plus HST and licensing. Here's the VIN number as well if you need it for insurance purpose. The motorcycle is brand new. It's a numbered bike. There was only 125 of these motorcycles made. This is a number 116. Only 25 came in Canada. It does come with this carbon wings, only two. And this is the only one model we have in stock. And probably this is going to be the last one as well we can get. If you have any questions regarding this motorcycle, please call me back at 905-660-2901. My extension is 212 and I'll be more than happy to assist you. Thank you.